What's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back at the charts again. And in today's video, I want to talk about my last 2 trading days. I want to talk about yesterday's trading day that you see in here, and about today's trading day that you see in here. Yesterday I was able to make 270 grand, and today I was able to bank 80 grand. And yeah, I shared all these trades in my Telegram channel as well. This is the group chat, as you can see. This is the inner circle group chat where all my students are connected with each other. Everybody who got the masterclass course is inside here and can talk to each other, share some ideas and all that stuff. Just want to show you something real quick. Look, Donaldo on FTMO 160k challenge day 2. Nearly passed the challenge in 2 days. Like crazy, man. This guy knows how to trade, man. We have some really crazy killers inside the inner circle of our team. So yeah, if you're not inside yet, guys, check out genius-trading.com. check out the course curriculum. You have 3 days left. This course is actually on a big discount, but yeah, we're gonna talk about that later. So let's talk about these trading days. Let's talk about what you have missed out. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go over these trades so you know how I'm writing these markets and you learn how I think about the market. So what we had, guys, let's start with yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, I can go to the lower time frame. 2-minute chart is fine. So yesterday market was looking something like that. I saw we had this equal highs in here taken out. Market reacted to it, turned around, and then I thought, like, okay, I think the market is going to hunt this double bottom in here. So I was willing to sell, but I waited for confirmation to get in. So after the market was grabbing the liquidity above this high in here, we had a nice reaction. And on the pullback, I decided to take a sell position. As you can see, I got stopped out pretty quick on this one, so I took a small loss. Then after that, I took a second chance entry, pretty aggressive entry, and then I saw, maybe we are going to slash through these equal highs in here first. So I decided to get out of this position with a very small loss around break even and change my bias to the buy side, because if we check the daily chart, I was talking about this target in here earlier this week, that we are probably going to hit this zone in here, get into this zone and hit this 14,380 something area. And so I decided to get on the buy side and try to buy this thing. And I mean, we had this nice reaction where I got stopped out in here, so I waited for a pullback back into the zone and took this trade around in this area. All right, so I took this buy in here, pretty aggressive entry, didn't wait for like a little sign of a reversal or whatever. I got stopped out pretty quick on this one, so I was waiting for a little push to the upside, and then I stepped into the game again. Unfortunately, my stop was too tight, but I need to go to the smaller time frames now to show you what happened. So I got stopped out, and then the market reacted like this. I mean, with the small red candle, I got stopped out, and the market immediately turned around and volume was increasing as well. So I got stopped out, sellers got triggered into the market, and then we had this crazy push. This was the confirmation that I needed to load it up like crazy. So I got into the market, waited for the market to pull back, and in this area I was loading it up like crazy, stacked my position size, and yeah, waited for the next push. And then I got out somewhere in here after we took out this liquidity in here, and I exited somewhere in here. I mean, the market was pretty much moving up a little bit more than that, but yeah, didn't hit my target. But anyways, yeah, this trade was crazy loaded up. I took 3 losses with 1 break even, so I was around 3-4 trades down. And this one trade, after I had this confirmation, I was loading it up like crazy, guys. And the loading it up trade management system is something that you're going to learn inside the Genius Trading Masterclass as well. This is where you learn how to bigger your position size on a good running trade. I mean, this is how we make crazy money. This is how we flip small accounts pretty quick. This is how many of my students are flipping accounts pretty quick with this loading it up strategy. And yeah, the day you are able to scale it up on a good run, this is the day when you become a trader, because this is what the average person can't do, and this is what traders have to be able to do. I mean, trading is against human nature, and human nature would say, if the market runs against you, oh, I'm getting a better price, so I'm getting in again and again and violating my risk parameters. But as a trader, I mean, and if the market is in profit, as an average person, if the market runs in profit, you want to take profits as quick as possible, because you are scared that the market could turn around against you and the profit is gone. So this psychology twist that you have to learn, or that you have to manifest as a trader, like being able to scale it up on good runs, this is something that is pretty hard to do. But if you got this, if you have the balls, if you have the confidence to get in again and again on a good trade and squeeze it as much as you can, this is where you're making the big money and flip accounts really quick, guys. All right, so let's talk about today's trading day. This is what I saw. Well, this is yesterday's high. As you can see, yesterday's high got taken out, and we hit this target that I had earlier this week. I was talking about this zone in here. We just hit that zone, and then the market turned around. You see that? The market turned around exactly on this zone, on this price that I marked up like a couple of days ago. And then price was moving down. I was not able to get in and stopped all the buyers out in here and get back, and the market was getting back into this manipulation zone that I was trading in yesterday. So I wanted to look for a reversal pattern inside of this area in here where we manipulated price before we had this nice push. So in here I wanted to look for a reversal. As soon as it touched that area, guys, as you can see, I've marked this area. Early buyers got stopped out in here, you see that? So as soon as it touched that area, made a nice little blue candle. I was jumping the gun, was not patient enough, took an aggressive entry, lost this one. And then I did the same thing again, kind of a revenge trade, was stupid, but took a small loss on this one as well. So not a big deal, 2 small losses, not a big deal. And then I was waiting for confirmation. So we had this, and this is what I really like to see, guys. This is what I really like to see. If the market goes down, let's go to the smaller time frame. As you can see, if the market goes down, I mean, it's kind of a little bit the same scenario as I had yesterday. So the market was going down, and then we had this strong candle in here. Price was moving nice, and after it broke structure in here, I mean, we had this structure, this shift in structure in here. Then the market was coming down for another liquidity grab, and then we clearly broke the structure. So I stepped into the game in here to put my stop below that. And when I saw that we are about to change the direction, I was like, okay, let's load it up. So I loaded it up on the pullbacks, biggered my position size, had my stop in here, and then I was taking profits on the way up in here. This is where I took profits with a big loaded up position. So I was able to get rid of these 2 losses. Plus I made 80,000 today on NASDAQ, NAS100. And yeah, if you have missed out on these trades, I've shared all of them inside the inner circle group chat in my channel, where I share all my trading ideas. and everything. So this is where I'm posting all my stuff. I mean, I have many people who are asking me for signals and stuff. I mean, I share everything that I do with my students. Like, if you're looking for signals, I'm telling you straight away, if you're just looking for signals, the Genius Trading Massacre is probably not the right thing to go, like not the right way to go, because you need to learn how to trade the markets before you think about taking any signals. In whatever kind of signal group you go, you will just blow your accounts. I'm telling you, you need to learn this skill set. If you're not willing to learn this skill set, then don't take trading signals. It's like going in a casino, you know. It's like playing roulette or blackjack or whatever. It's like gambling, you know. You really need to get this skill set down. You need to understand how the markets move. You need to understand how to participate in the markets as a profitable trader. And yeah, otherwise you will just blow your money, and that sucks, you know. Losing money sucks. But anyways, if you're a losing trader, if you need help, guys, check the link in the description. You can send me a private message and I will help you out and show you the way we trade. So if you need some more guidance, if you need some more information, just let me know. You can always drop me a private message in Telegram. I'm there to help you guys if I have time to chat. All right. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I wish you all the best. I hope you're having a profitable trading week. Be careful, tomorrow's NFP, guys, so the market will probably move pretty violently, so be careful. It's better to stay out. Don't trade US dollar correlated pairs, okay? Be careful, and yeah, have a good start in the weekend, guys. Yeah, we had a nice week, profitable week, and I wish you all the best. Stay healthy, guys. Peace out. What you know, every time, why you body in